First up, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, already a legend in the world of electric performance and a name that's become synonymous with cutting-edge technology and exhilarating driving dynamics. For 2026, the Taycan Turbo S has been completely re-engineered, pushing the boundaries of what's possible for electric vehicles and setting a new standard for the segment. The new 105 kW battery doesn't just offer more power, it delivers a real-world range of up to 330 miles. That means you can enjoy spirited drives through winding roads or embark on long-distance road trips with total confidence, knowing you have the range to match your ambitions. Thanks to Porsche's advanced 800-volt architecture, charging is faster than ever. You can go from 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes, making quick pit stops a reality and keeping you on the move. When it comes to performance, the numbers speak for themselves. 750 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and a blistering 0-60 time of just 2.2 seconds. This is hypercar territory, delivered in a four-door luxury sedan. The acceleration is instant and addictive, pinning you to your seat every time you press the pedal. Yet, Porsche hasn't forgotten about comfort and luxury, ensuring every drive feels special. Step inside, and you'll find the cabin now features eco-suede made from recycled ocean plastics. It's a perfect blend of sustainability and style, with every detail crafted to elevate your experience. Rear passengers are treated to a brand new 12-inch OLED entertainment screen, transforming the back seat into a high-tech lounge. Whether it's streaming, gaming, or just relaxing, the Taycan makes every journey enjoyable for everyone on board. Subtle aerodynamic tweaks, striking new wheel designs, and advanced matrix LED lighting keep the Taycan looking fresh, efficient, and unmistakably Porsche day or night. Porsche is doubling down on what matters most: breathtaking speed, impressive range, and a truly driver-focused experience. All of this comes with a renewed commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. The 2026 Taycan Turbo S isn't just the benchmark for electric performance sedans, it's the one every competitor is now chasing, and the one to beat. For those who crave the thrill of driving above all else, but also demand the latest technology and a sustainable approach, this is the sharpest tool in the shed, no compromises required. With the 2026 Taycan Turbo S, Porsche proves that the soul of a true sports car can be electric, and, in many ways, better than ever before.